What is VO2 Max?
VO2 max is the maximum amount of oxygen your body can use during intense exercise. It's a key indicator of aerobic fitness. The higher your VO2 max, the more efficiently your heart, lungs, and muscles work together to keep you active. Athletes, runners, and fitness enthusiasts often use VO2 max to track improvements in their endurance and performance.
Why does VO2 Max matter?
VO2 max is important because it reflects your overall cardiovascular health and stamina. A higher VO2 max can help you run faster, train longer, and recover more quickly. It's also linked to a lower risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. For beginners, monitoring VO2 max helps you set realistic fitness goals and track progress over time.
How do fitness devices measure VO2 Max?
Many fitness trackers and smartwatches estimate VO2 max using data from your heart rate, age, weight, and exercise intensity, especially during running or walking workouts. While wearable devices can't provide lab-accurate results, their VO2 max estimates are helpful for monitoring trends and progress. More accurate measurements require lab tests involving treadmills and specialized equipment.
Tips for improving your VO2 Max.
Boosting your VO2 max involves regular aerobic exercise. Interval training is especially effective. Mix periods of higher intensity with lighter activity. Activities like running, cycling, or swimming all help. Aim to gradually increase the duration and intensity of your workouts. Don't forget rest and balanced nutrition, as both support overall fitness and recovery.
Tracking progress and staying motivated.
Track your VO2 max over time using fitness devices and apps. Celebrate small improvements and set new goals to stay motivated. Mix up your cardio routines to keep things interesting. Remember, everyone's fitness journey is unique. Progress may be slow at first, but consistency pays off. Listen to your body, enjoy the process, and keep moving forward.